Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your DREAME D20 Plus mop staying dry or when there's no water. Okay, so as you can see, here's the robot, and for now I don't have a mop installed, but I'll do it in a moment. The first thing that you should do is open the lid and see the water tank. So remove it by pressing on this little button here, pull it out, and now make sure that the water output isn't clogged here with anything. Make sure it's working. You may press on it, but be careful. When you press on it, the water may come out. So just try doing that over a sink or something. Then make sure that there's any water inside, of course. So you can open the lid here and fill it in with water. You can fill it all the way in, of course, just so make sure you can close it. And then look on the robot and see if here there's also no buildup on this black part. Now you can insert the tank, insert the water tank. Make sure it clicks, make sure it's seated well and it's stable. Now let's go to our mopping pad. So there are these two things that should click, and make sure they do. Make sure they click nicely. Try clicking them a few times so to make sure there's nothing stuck in between them. Now flip the robot over and see on the bottom of the robot whether also there's no buildup, nothing weird happening here. And if everything is all right, if the little 3 holes here aren't clogged with anything, if they are, then you should clean them. You can use a needle to make sure there's water flow. Now you can attach the mop. And before you attach it, I also always recommend actually wetting it with water. So you can take the mopping pad, rinse it with water, and then put it in so it's already wet before it starts doing anything. That ensures that the water is later added on top of the already wet mop, and not that the water from the tank has to wet the mop from scratch. And that should fix it. I hope that it did. And also make sure that in the settings in the app the mopping is even selected, because sometimes you may have if you go to the app, you may see right here that you need to select mop or vacuum and mop, and you can adjust the mop wetness as well. Try setting it to a higher level and set it to mop or vacuum and mop, and not to just vacuum, because then it's not going to vacuum. It's not going to mop. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.